Think eco-friendly travel means giving up comfort? Think again. In today's video, we'll show you how to explore the world sustainably without compromising on luxury or convenience. From eco-conscious packing tips to choosing the right accommodations, we'll cover everything you need to travel green and stay comfortable. Let's get started. Number 1. Choose eco-luxury accommodations. The days of roughing it in basic tents are long gone. Many eco-friendly resorts offer top-tier amenities, from plush beds to gourmet dining. Look for accommodations with green certifications like LEED or Green Globe, which ensure they meet high sustainability standards. Think solar-powered lodges, eco-villas with natural pools, and even luxury glamping. Pro tip: check for features like energy-efficient designs, water-saving technologies, and local sourcing for food and materials. Number 2. Pack light and smart traveling. Light reduces your carbon footprint. Opt for multifunctional clothing, eco-friendly toiletries, and reusable items like water bottles and bamboo cutlery. Packing smart not only saves space, but also cuts down on waste during your trip. Pro tip: bring a travel-size solar charger to power your devices sustainably. Number 3. Fly smarter. Air travel is a significant source of carbon emissions, but you can make smarter choices. Book direct flights to reduce fuel consumption and choose airlines that offset their carbon emissions. Some airlines even allow you to purchase carbon offsets directly when booking your ticket. Pro tip: travel during off-peak times to reduce your environmental impact and enjoy a more relaxed experience. Number 4. Opt for sustainable transportation. Once you arrive at your destination, choose eco-friendly transportation options. Many cities now offer electric bike rentals, public transportation powered by renewable energy, and walking tours. Renting a hybrid or electric car can also be a great choice for road trips. Pro tip: download maps and guides offline to minimize your device usage and conserve energy. Number 5. Support local and sustainable dining. Eating locally not only supports the community, but also cuts down on the carbon footprint of your meals. Seek out farm-to-table restaurants and try local seasonal dishes. Avoid single-use plastics by bringing your own reusable containers if you're grabbing food to go. Pro tip: research restaurants that use organic and sustainably sourced ingredients before you travel. Number 6. Minimize plastic and waste. Plastic waste is one of the biggest environmental challenges. Bring your own reusable items like water bottles, bags, and travel-friendly toiletries. Many hotels and cafes now offer refill stations and discounts for using your own containers. Pro tip: carry a small reusable trash bag to keep waste under control during hikes or day trips. Number 7. Choose eco-friendly activities. Look for tours and activities that focus on conservation and give back to local communities. Ethical wildlife experiences, eco-tours, and cultural immersion activities are great options. Avoid activities that exploit animals or harm the environment. Pro tip: book tours with local guides who follow responsible tourism practices. Number 8. Offset your carbon footprint. If reducing your carbon footprint entirely isn't possible, offset it. Many organizations allow you to invest in projects that reduce greenhouse gases, such as reforestation or renewable energy initiatives. These offsets can balance the impact of your travel. Pro tip: calculate your trip's carbon footprint using online tools and invest in credible offset programs. Number 9. Respect local cultures and environments. Being an eco-friendly traveler also means respecting local customs, traditions, and environments. Follow leave no trace principles. Support local artisans, and be mindful of your impact on natural habitats. Pro tip: learn a few key phrases in the local language to show respect and engage more deeply with the culture. See, traveling eco-friendly doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. By making thoughtful choices, you can have a luxurious, meaningful trip that's also kind to the planet. What eco-friendly travel tip are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel tips and guides. Safe and sustainable travels! Ready to plan your next eco-friendly adventure? Check out our other videos for more travel inspiration. See you in the next one!